To get started with the magic, just drop or import your longest video right into the application. Right away, you'll notice a couple of new panels that make your life way easier. One of those is the transcript and scene navigation pane, which is where all your text and markers live. The other panel is the clip highlights lane, showing Vizard's auto detection engine kicking off in the background. As soon as you import, the AI starts scanning your footage, transcribing the audio, and flagging engagement points. You'll see words and short clip thumbnails starting to populate up there while that analysis is running. Once the transcription is finally finished, you can zoom in or out of the main timeline. The transcript and clip markers expand or contract accordingly, keeping everything perfectly synced visually and textually. That tight text-to-video sync is what opens up a bunch of useful workflows that just aren't practical in a manual editor. For example, say you're editing a long interview and the speaker flubs a single word, maybe saying something awkwardly. When re-recording isn't an option, you don't have to redo the whole take anymore. Instead, you can search the whole project for the same word, phrase, or even a specific moment and hunt for a better delivery. With the transcript pane open, just type the word you want into that search field and hit enter. Vizard will jump you through every single instance of that word across the entire video project. It shows you the surrounding text and the exact frames where that specific sound or word happens. You can play each instance back in context, rapidly cycling through candidates to pick a better sounding take. If one delivery is clumsy but another moment earlier had a clean, natural take, you can grab that tiny clip and use it. Copying and pasting clips in this system is designed to be really quick and intuitive. Use those right-click menus or keyboard shortcuts to copy the short clip containing that better word. Then move back to the problematic spot and simply replace that awkward bit you identified earlier. The paste special options let you match the audio levels automatically so it sounds consistent. It also preserves the room tone and crossfades automatically, making the entire edit truly seamless. Listen back to confirm that the pacing still feels natural after the swap you just made. Vizard's audio matching does most of the heavy lifting, so you often don't need a manual EQ tweak. If you ever make timeline changes and need to resync the text, there's a rescan button to realign everything. If a word in the transcript doesn't quite match what's actually being said, just double-click that entry. You can then simply type in the correct text, which is super handy for future phrase searching. This accuracy is also vital when you want to turn those clips into perfectly timed captions later on. Having an accurate transcript makes tag-based searches way more reliable for finding key segments. Better tags mean better auto-selection of those highly engaging, potentially viral moments. For creators working with multi-person interviews, Vizard also supports speaker detection and diarization. After the transcription pass, the system can identify different speakers and color code their lines in the text. Up to 8 speakers can be detected in a session, and each one gets a unique color across the interface. Click a speaker's name to select all of their lines across the entire project in one easy action. This is super useful if you want to isolate one person for specialized audio processing. Or you can easily create a quick compilation of just their best quotes from the whole recording. Double-click a speaker's label and rename it to something meaningful for your project, like Host or Guest A. This ensures your entire workspace stays organized no matter how complex the recording gets. Beyond manual swaps, Vizard's real superpower is its auto-editing for viral clips feature. The AI analyzes key engagement signals like voice energy, laughter, reaction shots, and topic changes. It then proactively picks the most shareable snippets and turns them into ready-to-post short videos. It doesn't just cut the loudest moments, it tries to find rhythm and story in short, digestible bites. Instead of spending hours trimming, reformatting, and captioning, you get polished clips ready to go. Now, a quick reality check on the alternatives you might be used to working with. Tools like Descript are great for cutting, but they often put you in a lot of manual steps unless you build a strict workflow. CapCut and similar consumer apps are handy for short form, but don't offer centralized scheduling to keep you consistent. Audio-focused suites like Isotope RX are fantastic for surgical audio repair, but not built for long-form video clipping. Vizard sits in that sweet spot for creators needing intelligent clip selection plus the entire publishing pipeline. It's built to significantly reduce the busy work while keeping you firmly in creative control. Speaking of publishing, Vizard's auto-schedule feature is clutch for keeping a steady content stream going. You set your desired posting frequency and specify the platforms, and the AI queues and posts for you. You can choose the posting cadence, tweak the captions, and set which clip types go to which channels. The scheduler means you can batch edit on one afternoon and let the AI handle distribution for weeks. The content calendar is where the magic of planning meets the hustle of consistent publishing. Everything generated, scheduled, or already posted lives right there in one centralized place. You can drag clips to different dates, change times, add notes for collaborators, or swap out a thumbnail easily. If you want to preview what next week looks like across Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, the calendar gives you that unified view. That centralized control is why many creators stop juggling 5 separate tools to manage their output. Practical example. Imagine a 2-hour mastermind conversation needing a month's worth of short clips. Vizard transcribes it, finds the insight-dense 10-second moments, drafts vertical and square versions, and cues them. You can then review, swap any clip with an alternative, or fine-tune a caption before scheduling. While competitors might give you a transcript, you'd still be doing the heavy lifting of cutting and reformatting manually. One subtle but important point is to always keep an eye on the AI's initial picks. It's fast and generally excellent, but the best results come from a quick human review pass. Pick your favorite few clips, tweak the captions to match your unique voice, and then let the scheduler run. Vizard is there to remove the tedious parts, not to replace your inherent creative taste. To wrap up, this makes the entire long to short workflow feel like a natural extension of your process. Import, let the AI flag moments, search the transcript to refine, auto-edit, and schedule everything centrally. Compared to piecing together multiple niche tools, you get a much faster path to consistent, ready content. If you want to dive deeper, try importing an interview and searching for a single keyword right now. See how quickly it finds every moment that word is used and try swapping just one tiny clip in your project. Then, let the auto-editing generate a batch of shorts and schedule them out for the whole next week. You'll feel that massive time savings immediately when you run your first real project through. Thanks for watching this walkthrough, and check out the tutorials inside Vizard to get even faster at this. Try it on a real project today and you'll see exactly why this workflow keeps creators consistent without killing the creative vibe.